Ako si Dian Mendoza at kami ang inyong mga breast friends. Ito ang sinag ng aming araw.
Hello everyone, I'm Mommy D and I'd like to introduce to you who my best friend is. In the beginning, I didn't even know about social enterprise. I didn't know that there was a term called social enterprise. When we started the Breastfeeding Care Center of the North, all I knew was that my heart was in the advocacy. But with my co-partners, with my co-mommies that helped me build this Breastfeeding Care Center, we were able to blend the therapeutic massages as well as lactation massage and bring forth this center that caters to the whole family. Yung bootcamp kasi, ang laking factor sa akin na going back to the roots of entrepreneurship and how the bootcamp helps startups like us. Ngayon, yung bootcamp na nangyari during that time was, we were in La Union, tapos nagkaroon ng earthquake. One of the biggest earthquake in Abra, di ba? So, very memorable yung time na yun kasi sabi ko nga, talaga naman, if you really want to learn, meron at meron talagang mga ganitong experience, no? And after that earthquake, tuloy pa rin daw. Hindi natigil. So, tuloy pa rin. So, when I was preparing for my pitch na, ayan, yun yung medyo struggle kasi parang 5-minute pitch. Sabi ko, parang ang hirap naman sabihin lahat ng gusto mong sabihin in 5 minutes. Pero ang galing nung training namin with our coaches, ang galing nung mga guidance nila on how we're really just gonna cut on the things that are most important and put it into a 5-minute pitch. Sobrang laking tulong sa akin ng BPI on how I was able to organize my thoughts, organize my presentation, organize everything that I wanted to show because sabi ko, at the end of the day, during the pitch, more than the competition of winning, ang gusto ko talaga is mapakita talaga yung heart ng social enterprise namin. Mapakita talaga yung passion of helping moms in their breastfeeding journey. Yun po. Yung grant po kasi, actually parang sabi nga namin, icing on the top na lang talaga siya eh, di ba? More than the grant that we received, it's the network that was built na nakilala kami in the Philippines. Because ang BPI Sinag po, winning as top best social enterprise, naging springboard siya to many more competitions that I'll mention later. Yung grant po, nakatulong po sa amin because we're now able to go around Northern Luzon to train other breastfeeding peer counselors and lactation massage specialists. We were able to go to Bolinao, Pangasinan. We were able to go to Ilocos Norte. We were able to go to La Union. Yun yung goal namin because our vision is to have one breastfeeding care center per city. With the grant that was given to us, we were able to advertise. We were able to market who we are. Yung Bolinao po kasi known siya as parang sa beach, di ba? Pero yung pinuntahan po naming community doon was in the island. And yung island na yun, one of the poorest of the poor talaga. Kasi parang sobrang nag-boat pa kami papunta doon. Tapos talagang dala-dala namin yung mga training apparatus namin, yung mga breast dolls namin para matutulungan namin yung mga health workers doon, tsaka mga barangay secretary, pero ginagawa na nilang nutrition scholar. Parang 2 jobs na ganun. So, sila yung tinuruan namin kung paano mag-lactation massage doon sa mga moms doon, paano mag-counseling. We even were able to bring a doctor from Germany to come help us kasi tinulungan kami ngayon yung proper way of breastfeeding positioning based on research talaga. So, ang laking factor na meron kaming funds para gawin yun kasi hindi namin magagawa yun kung yung income lang namin from the center. Kasi yung income namin from the center, niro-roll out lang namin yan sa operations. But with the grant that we received, we were able now to go to different places Naglaging ang vision po namin is one breastfeeding care center per city, and ang BPIC po, yung competition na yan ang talagang nag-jumpstart nung vision namin na yan na maging totoo siya because we were able to do it. So, hindi lang services, we also have products, no? Kasi gusto nga namin, it's a one-stop shop for moms. So, kung papansinin nyo, dun sa kabila naming office, nandun na rin yung mga lactation drinks namin, lactation cookies. Kasi after magpamassage ng mom, kung ano yung mga kailangan nilang needs, pupunta na sila sa kabila, bibili na sila, hindi na pupunta kung saan-saan pa. So, nakatulong din po pala ang BPI sa ganun sa amin kasi nagkaroon kami ng puhunan for those products na na-roll over namin ng na-roll over. Dati po, makakabili lang kami isang box, dalawang box. Ngayon po, nasa 20, 30 boxes na ng lactation drinks yung nakukuha namin. So, when we won BPIC, nag-start na ako ulit mag-research kung saan ako pwede ulit mag-join ng mga other competitions. And now, I have more confidence in joining kasi nga, because of the training that I got from BPI Sinag. So, after BPI Sinag, I saw a competition called Next Gen in Franchising. So, I joined that competition, and with BPI Sinag, with the bootcamp that I already had, parang feeling ko that time, it was easier for me, in a sense, to go through the competition. Kasi nga, nahasa na ako dun sa bootcamp natin. Kami nanalo sa Luzon, and then eventually, grand winner din nung Next Gen. For those who are watching, if you will be supporting my best friend in our journey, you're not only supporting a social enterprise, but you're supporting the next generation of healthy children of Filipinos. The impact that we are creating for the society is not only for the mother and children this year, but for the coming years. Yun po yung kailangan namin na suporta because this is already for the next generation of Filipinos.
As a social enterprise na my best friend is we are catering a problem in a community. Financially, wala naman talaga kaming ganun kalaking halagang pera. Pero nagkukumit kami ng aming trabaho sa social enterprise sa community na kinikredit namin yung mga problem nila.
Yung my best friend, since nung nag-start ako dito, syempre, natulungan nila ako financially, may sweldo. Tapos, yung mga training din ho na tinuturo nila, tapos natututunan ko sa kanila, malaking, malaking help po para mag-grow din po ako.
Ako naman po is, ang laki po ng tulong ng my best friend. As a massage therapist po, nag-house to house kami, ganun po. So, nung meron na po ang my best friend, syempre, at least parang kalma ka na monthly may sahod ka.
Ako naman, sobrang siguro, sabi ni Lord, God's plan na nandito ako ngayon with Ma'am Dian, na parang noon is talagang walang-wala. So, thank you my best friend team with Ma'am Dian.
Ako naman, nakakatulong para sa mga allowance ng anak ko, tapos yung daily needs namin sa bahay.
First of all po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa Panginoon kasi dinala niya po ako dito. Kasi natulungan po ako na mag-support sa studies ng mga kapatid ko po. Kasi parang ako lang po yung sumusupport sa kanila. And as a massage therapist, nadagdagan po yung alam ko sa pagmamassage. Nag-grow po ako dito. Dito po ako natuto. Yun po. Thank you.
kami sa pagod